Hello everyone and welcome to frompizzatodalchawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious and easy to make tomato soup. Soups are essential in winters and this tomato soup is so delicious that you will end up making it every day. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन्ती देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. Let's start with the recipe. First, in a kadai, heat 1 teaspoon of oil. To that, add 1 teaspoon of butter. Add 1 black cardamom, 8 to 10 black peppercorns, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Saute for a few seconds. Add 1 teaspoon each of chopped ginger and garlic and few coriander stems. Saute for a few seconds. Then add 1 thin sliced onion. Saute till the onion turns translucent. Now add 7 to 8 roughly chopped tomatoes. I am making this for 4 people. You can adjust the quantity of tomatoes if you want. Give everything a mix. Then add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix well. Add half cup of water and mix. Cover and cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, our tomatoes are boiling now. Add 2 glasses of water. Give everything a mix. Cover and cook for 10 more minutes. Everything is well cooked now. Turn off the heat and allow it to cool down. After it's cooled down, transfer it to a blender jar. If you have hand blender, you can instantly blend it. Now blend it and strain and transfer to the pan again. Discard the remaining waste. Let's heat it up again. Bring it to a boil. Add water to adjust consistency if needed. Then add 1 teaspoon of sugar and 1 teaspoon of ketchup. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Finally add corn flour slurry. I have mixed 1 teaspoon of corn flour with 1 teaspoon of water. Mix and bring it to a boil. Our soup has perfect consistency now. Serve it hot. You can also serve bread croutons with it if you want. This delicious, tasty and comforting tomato soup is so amazing to have in winters. This is so warm and so easy to make. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.